What's good, family? It's your boy Ronnie, and today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. All right, so now today Bitcoin is at $32,000 a coin. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, I've told you guys to get you a Coinbase account or a Webull account or something that can trade cryptocurrency. If you don't have a coin of Bitcoin, you need to cop one now. This thing is expected to hit 100K per coin in 2 years. You need to get in the game. If you can't afford a whole coin, get half a coin. Put 2,000 in. I put 7,500 in, and I'm already at 21K in USD value of my Bitcoin. All right, so let's get into some stocks that mine Bitcoin in case you kind of speculate on the Bitcoin. You don't want to be all in, or maybe you can't afford the whole coin, but it is some stocks here that you need to look at that is relative to the Bitcoin increase in profitability. First is Riot. All right, Riot is a Bitcoin mining company that profits off the increase in value of the Bitcoin. As the value of Bitcoin increases, so will the profitability of Riot. I explained this in my previous videos, but the operation cost to mine one coin is standard. As the value of that coin increase, so does your profit margins. Another stock I want to look at is BTBT. All right, BTBT has skyrocketed over the past week under the radar. I didn't even see it. I had to do some research, and it went up like 300%. Yo, take a look at BTBT. It has over 40,000 rigs that mine Bitcoin. It has a higher ceiling than Riot, even though Riot and Marta has had the most publicity. Look at BTBT. I expect BTBT to do another rocket this week as Bitcoin has shot up due to the stimulus package being sent out and devaluing the dollar even more. So hop in the game on that. Take a look at those two stocks, and I think both of them will probably do at least 20% this week because $32,000 a coin is magnificent gains. So take a look at both of those stocks, and we'll hop on that midweek and see where it's at. But I expect great gains for the first 3 days of this week coming up. So you need to hop on that Monday and get in the game. All right, without any further ado, remember, it's not a race, it's a marathon. Peace.